What's up guys? Today we are super excited to release the all-new aluminum floor option from Diamond C. What are the two things that make you care about this aluminum floor option? Number one, when you're talking investment grade, this floor is a lifetime floor. There's no wood to rot out. Number two, it is lighter and stronger than standard pine. On a 40-foot trailer, this aluminum floor makes the trailer about 400 pounds, just under 400 pounds lighter than standard pine. And then number three, a little bonus feature we'll point out is that it has this knurling process, front to back, along the top of the ridges for added traction. Jump on diamondc.com, there you can outfit an F-Max, a PX, an SDX, or a PSA with this new aluminum floor option. Jump on and build yours today.